Hi loves, it's Lacey and welcome back to our space. So today in our space, I am participating in a challenge video. And this challenge is being hosted by my very own sister, the lovely Chrissy over at Hostedbykrssie. And it is called the Make Something New Challenge. She has tasked us all to think outside the box and to come up with something brand new that we have never made before and put it on our channel. And as you can see, I have a hula hoop in front of me. It is from the Dollar Tree. It is the small size hula hoop. It will fit my 5-year-old granddaughter, not the bigger one, though you could make this any size that you want. So this is a staple piece to the DIY that I am about to make, and everything that I use can be bought at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so here is my final project, and I have to say I am in love with it. I am so excited how this turned out. I think it is perfect, and I have to let you guys know I did have an inspiration piece for this. Like I said in my last video, Pinterest has been sending me notifications left and right, and so I saw this picture that I'm going to insert right here, and I said I know I can make this with only Dollar Tree items. So if you wanted to make this, here's a tip. I ran out of the wood stems. I purchased 2 bags with the bigger flat wood stems, and unfortunately 1 bag with the long skinny ones, and I thought they were all 3 the little flat ones. So then when I went back to the Dollar Tree, they were completely out of the flat ones. So I ended up going in my yard and actually getting a nice size stem of wood and cutting it down with my miter saw. My big compound miter saw, not that little one that you guys have seen me use. That won't work for these. And I ended up with free wood pieces for this. So basically, if you already have the wood stems from Dollar Tree, go ahead and use those, but you'll need at least 3 bags to make something this size, which is the smallest hula hoop that Dollar Tree carries. Or you can just do as I did and go out and find your own wood in your yard or someone and cut it up. Now I did clean that wood and I microwaved it for like 4 minutes to make sure no creepy crawlers were in it, and cut it up, and then just went ahead and used it. And I love this. So this will work just as it is, but since this is a seasonal challenge, you could add little flowers to it in different spaces, and it could make it a little more summery. Or when fall rolls around, you could add some Dollar Tree leaves, or at Christmas time you could add some ornaments hanging off of it. The possibilities are endless for this, but you can definitely use it year round. So that is completely it. I want to thank my sister Chrissy so much for hosting this challenge. I will link her channel down below in the description box, along with the playlist that she'll have available for this challenge. Please go by and show her and all the other participants some love. I want to thank all of you so much for watching, for liking, and always sharing my videos. And if you're not a member here at Lacee Space yet, I don't know why not. Go ahead, smash that subscribe button, become a member, hang out with us for a while. We have a lot of fun here. Also, if you like, you can follow me on Instagram. It's Lacee Space, the same way that it is spelled here. And I will catch all of you in my next video. Oh, and best believe I will be posting a picture of this over on Instagram as well. Bye, loves.